Continuous beeping during startup on an Asus laptop almost always indicates a memory RAM issue. This means your laptop is failing the power on self-test post due to a problem with the RAM. This could range from a simple loose connection to a completely faulty RAM module. Recognizing this beep code is the first step in troubleshooting. While newer Asus models use software diagnostics, beep codes are still relevant, especially on older or refurbished laptops. Several factors can trigger the continuous beep on Asus laptops. Let's examine the most common causes. First, RAM not seated correctly in its slot can cause continuous beeping. The modules need to be firmly inserted. Second, incompatible RAM modules, such as mixing DDR4 and DDR5, can trigger beeping due to mismatched architecture. Third, physical damage to the RAM, like bent connectors or residue, can cause continuous beeping. Fourth, static electricity damage during upgrades can lead to beeping. Use anti-static precautions. Fifth, a corrupted BIOS can cause beeping by disrupting hardware initialization. Finally, overheating can contribute to memory issues and trigger continuous beeping. The first troubleshooting step for continuous beeping on Asus laptops is to reseat the RAM modules. This simple process can resolve connection issues that cause beep errors. First, completely shut down your Asus laptop. Disconnect the power cord and carefully remove the battery. This prevents any electrical interference during the RAM reseating process. Next, locate the RAM compartment on your Asus laptop. Refer to the user manual for the exact position, typically under a small panel on the bottom. Carefully unscrew and remove the cover to access the RAM slots. Now, locate the RAM modules in their slots. Gently press the retaining clips outward on both sides of each module. The RAM will pop up slightly, allowing you to carefully lift and remove it from the slot. To reinsert the RAM, align the notch on the module with the slot key. Firmly press the module straight down into the slot until you hear or feel the retaining clips snap securely into place on both sides. Finally, replace the RAM compartment cover and secure it with the screws. Reinstall the battery, connect the power cord, and turn on your laptop. If the continuous beeping is resolved, the RAM reseating has fixed the connection issue. To check RAM compatibility, first verify your laptop's specifications for the correct RAM type, such as DDR4 or DDR5, and the supported speed. Using mismatched DIMMs can trigger continuous beeping errors. This comparison shows the different channel architectures between DDR4 and DDR5 RAM. DDR4 uses a 72-bit channel with 64-bit data and 8-bit ECC, while DDR5 introduces independent subchannels with 40-bit architecture, including 32-bit data and 8-bit ECC. When upgrading RAM, verify that the new modules match your laptop specifications and are securely installed. Sometimes even compatible RAM requires a BIOS update to be fully recognized by the system. Follow the installation guide for your Asus laptop model to ensure RAM is properly seated in the slots. Incorrect installation can cause beeping errors. Access your BIOS to check memory recognition and apply any necessary firmware updates. This ensures your RAM is fully compatible and configured correctly. An outdated or corrupted BIOS can cause memory errors that lead to continuous beeping. Check the Asus website for the latest BIOS update specific to your laptop model. Follow the instructions carefully to flash the BIOS safely. If you can access the BIOS settings, usually by pressing Del F2 or ESC during startup. Try restoring the BIOS to its default settings to resolve conflicts or incorrect configurations affecting RAM. Newer Asus laptops often have built-in diagnostic tools, sometimes accessible through the My Asus app or Armory Crate. These tools can perform in-depth hardware checks, including memory tests. Run these diagnostics to identify specific RAM errors. The software may provide error codes or suggested fixes based on the test results. Uploading error logs to Asus support can also help in getting personalized assistance. If you've tried reseating the RAM, checking compatibility, updating the BIOS, and running diagnostics, and the continuous beeping persists, the RAM module itself may be faulty. Contact Asus support or a qualified laptop repair technician for further assistance. If your laptop is still under warranty, consider initiating a warranty claim. Attempting complex repairs yourself can void the warranty. To prevent future RAM issues, use an anti-static mat during upgrades, keep your BIOS updated, and ensure proper ventilation to prevent overheating. Consider purchasing RAM from reputable brands with good warranties. As laptops trend towards modular designs and AI-driven diagnostics, keeping your software updated and understanding basic hardware principles will help you maintain your device and troubleshoot potential issues more effectively.